Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and I missed y'all so much. I haven't recorded any video in a minute because I was away for a while. That's something we'll get into another time. You know what I'm saying? I had to travel. But anyway, I'm back and I am gonna be doing a video for y'all today. I did a video similar to that a month ago and y'all like it very much. So we're gonna be doing another one today. Okay, so we have some hair from this company called Lockbraids. That's the same company I worked with last month. I did a video for them and you guys like it so much. I did a video for them before that too. Y'all love that one so much too. And here we are back again. We're gonna be doing, I think it's called a headband wig. Let's see, what is it called? So this is called a braid band, and the color of the first one is 27, and it's a boho knotless braid style, and it's 18 inches. So that's what this one is. The second one is color number 30. It's the same thing. It's a braid band and it's a boho knotless braid again, and it's 18 inches. So they are both the same thing. Only difference is one is 27, the color, and the other one is color number 30. So I'm gonna go ahead and do color number 30 first. And the reason why I'm gonna do color number 30 first, because this came with the scarf and it just makes sense, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do number 30 first so we can put the scarf on over it. It also came with a stocking cap. This one is black. It might make sense to use the black one instead of the brown one that I'm wearing. Right now I'm wearing a brown one, and I'm gonna take it off and put the black one on. There's actually two of them in there. I only need one, so let's put it on. And yeah, I think it just makes sense to use a darker one because of what I'm gonna be putting on my head. So this is color number 30. Ooh, this color looks so beautiful. It looks so nice. I love this color. This is what it looked like, y'all. So like I said, it's a like a band wig, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on me like so. It has velcro strap, as you can see, and this piece has a longer part right here, so if your head is bigger it could fit over here, and if it's smaller than mine it could fit over here, and I still have more room. If your head is smaller than mine it will fit you too. This is this is the scarf that we're gonna be putting on today with this one, and I can't wait to put it on. I love this scarf, y'all. You getting a scarf with your wig? What? Yes. I don't know if you get to pick the scarf you want, but the last one I got two scarves with it and they were beautiful. And then I got this one. I'm gonna show the back of my head before I put the scarf on, and then after I put it on I'm gonna show it again, because the last wig I made, when I made the YouTube short video, people were asking to see the back, and so let's do that here. See that it has a lot of hair there, guys, so don't you worry that you're not gonna have a lot of hair that is gonna look thin and all of that stuff. No, it's not gonna. And I'm just gonna tie it. I'm just gonna do like a bow. I'm not really sure what the back looks like, but does it look good? Let me know. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Does it look good in the back? I just like this style of tying your scarf. It's really cute. It's really cutesy. It's very demure. The thing that I really love about this color is that it's perfect for fall, and that's actually my favorite season of the year. So this hair came just in time because I'm gonna be wearing it for the fall season. I think the scarf though is really going with this color. That's one of the reasons why I choose to wear this scarf with it. I'm gonna wear the other scarf with the other one. I like it. Let's show the length. Why not? The length. And that's what the back of it looked like. This wig is just perfect for days when you don't want to do your hair or you don't have time to do your hair. And you just want to run to the store, maybe run some errands, maybe you want to go get your nails done, you know, something. But you want to look cute doing that, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it's perfect for reasons like that. It's really cute. It's giving. I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch out of this one and try on the 27 for you guys. So here's the other one, guys, straight out of the pack. As you can see, it has this little kink in it right here. I would probably just put it in some hot water just to get that out, but I'm not gonna do that with this wig today because we're just here for this video. You know what I'm saying? And we're just here to show y'all what this do. Because if I put it in hot water, then I'm gonna have to wait for it to dry, and we do not have the time for that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I absolutely love this piece right here. The velvet strap is amazing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so let's put it on. So same thing. We got this Velcro strap right here, and we got this other Velcro piece that we're gonna attach onto it. Just like so. I don't want it to have any kink when I'm gonna tie it down, so I'm trying to make it as flat as I can get it. There we go. Oh, already I'm liking this color, y'all. This number 27. This number 27 is given. I'm gonna show y'all the back of it too before I tie the scarf on it, because I know y'all are here to see every corner of it. So this is what the back of it looked like. As you can see, nice and full. Okay, so let me go ahead and put the scarf on, and I'm gonna put on the second scarf here that they sent me. I think I want to tie like a bow in the front this time. So let's do that. Ooh, this color is pretty. Not sure if I remember how to do it, but I'm gonna try to figure it out just for y'all. I'm tying a bow because everybody wearing bow these days. Do y'all see all these bow that they make for the back of the head? Y'all see that? I just tie a bow. I just need this part to fix. Let's fix that and come back. Hey y'all, we're back, and this is what my bow looks like. I mean, I think I managed to make a bow and it looks cute. I don't know. Does it look cute? I don't know. But anyway, this is how I'm tying the scarf with this one. Okay? Okay. Okay. I think I like the bow. But I really do like the hair. And just, I guess because of how I tie the bow is the reason why I put all the hair in the front. You know, so if I turn around, there wouldn't be no hair in the back, which is a lot of way some of y'all wear your wigs sometimes. I see it all the time, so don't deny it. Anyway, I changed the shirt because I feel like the pink was not going with anything really except for my makeup, but it was just too much colors going on. I feel like the white with the white inside of this looks so much better. I was gonna put black on, but I found a white shirt, so that's what I put on. The back of it, y'all, this is what it looks like. Look at my tan. As you can see, I got a tan. Like I said, I wasn't here, so I was actually in the Caribbean. I was in Jamaica for a funeral, so that's where I got that tan from. But yeah, this is what we're working with. Cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. Really do love it. I absolutely feel like it could look even better if I add some kind of moisturizer on it. You know what I'm saying? But this is just a really quick show and tell that we're doing here, and this is what we got. So yes, guys, if y'all want one of these, you know, whether you want black, you want color number 27, which is what I'm wearing now, or color number 30, which is what I had on before. I'm not sure if the site have more colors, but they probably do. So go check them out. Go check them out because they're going fast and you don't want to get left out. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this is just so convenient for days when you really don't have the time to do your hair, you know, how you would want to. And you could wear it to work too. As long as you could wear something on your head to that job, you could wear it to work too. I know some jobs don't allow that, but then some does, depending on what kind of work you do. You could wear it to work. Make your life so much easier. Like that's what we're doing these days. Go on to Lockbraids website and go get you one before they're all gone. Can't say I didn't tell you. You know what I'm saying? These things sell out fast. So anyway, if you guys like this video, definitely leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, share it, yada yada yada, and I will see you guys in the next one. Any man let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine say she.